Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know CSS coding exercise solution. So here the solution complete source code is available here. What we have learned from the previous lectures only, classes we have taken and applied as a header, top nav and top nav A link tags and hover effects, and column 0, 1, 2, 3 columns, the portions we have defined, and after row, what is the requirement of differentiating between this row and media size. We have seen the footer section separately. So ultimately how we are getting in this code is here. So let's see. Header, top nav A for a link and hover effect, and column 0, 1, 2. So the row after we are going to be like a floating and column distraction. We are preparing to setting to won't disturb to the footer section. So all the styles we are added with this div link and div top nav and row. Inside the row we are added 3 columns. Column 0, 1, 2. The classes, according to the classes I am telling you. So after this we are adding footer. So how simply we are prepared a solution for this. Once it is done, we'll see the output in this way. So these effects to be required to apply the impact of your design. So this is the columns and this is the footer. I hope many of the students are cracked this simple assessment. If not, let's take a solution and try yourself by seeing this solution very clearly. So I'll simply scroll it, make a note of this all the document. So one by one, if it is done, you just you will be like having a great idea and great understanding about the CSS code styles. So let's see here. Partly you take screenshots and prepare yourself. So the body, the text only, anything you may take, rows inside the 3 columns and footer. So ultimately this is a great solution for your assessment coding exercise. So I'll catch you in the next lecture. Have a great day.